Hello everyone, welcome back to the Defense Battalion TV. The Lithuanian media channel Laisves TV started a fundraiser to buy a Bayraktar TB2 armed drone for the Ukrainian armed forces. On May 25, 2022, Laisves TV founder Andrius Tapinas published an appeal on his personal Facebook page. The channel hopes to raise €5 million in 3 weeks to acquire the drone. The first €1 million were collected in the first hour. This shows again how strong Lithuanians support Ukraine. The crowdfunding effort was approved by the Lithuanian Ministry of Defense, its Turkish counterpart, and the drone maker Bayraktar Technologies. Now, probably for the first time in history, citizens of one state can buy and donate such heavy weapons to another state, Tapinas said. Let our Bayraktar rise above undefeated Ukraine. Let this be the hour when Lithuania and Ukraine unsheathe their swords together. Previously, Lithuanian civil society collected €330,000 in 16 hours for 2 Estonian-made modern recon drones EOS C VTOL. They will be named Magyla-1 and Magyla-2 and will be sent to Ukraine to help artillery targeting. Magyla is goddess of death in Lithuanian mythology. The Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drone illustrated itself during Russia's ongoing invasion of Ukraine, proving itself as an attritable solution to destroy more critical assets, such as armored vehicles, anti-aircraft systems, or even tanks. The drone was credited for helping to sink the Russian missile cruiser Moskva and bombing Russian anti-air defense systems on Snake Island. Following the invasion of Ukraine by Russia, Lithuanian Defense Minister Arvydas Anušauskas announced plans to bolster the country's capabilities with a €1 billion $1.09 billion investment to acquire several new platforms for the Lithuanian military, including switchblade loitering munitions colloquially known as kamikaze drones.